In recent years, outdoor pizza ovens have become popular for home cooking, offering versatility and easy storage. Whether on a deck, patio, or porch, these ovens are perfect for aspiring chefs with limited space or those wanting portability. All options in this guide are portable, though some may require help to move due to size and weight. When shopping for a home pizza oven, consider the types of pizzas you plan to make. Most portable ovens use wood and are designed for high heat cooking, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, for Neapolitan-style pizzas, but can also cook other styles at cooler temperatures. Dual fuel options, wood and propane or natural gas, offer versatility and ease of use, allowing for easy temperature adjustment. Size is another important factor. Most ovens fit 12-inch pizzas, ideal for personal use and pizza parties. For larger pizzas or additional uses, consider bigger models. Adequate counter or table space is crucial for prepping dough and toppings, so set up your pizza-making station close to the oven. In this guide, we review the best pizza ovens on the market. Here are top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Ooni Volt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. The Ooni Volt 12 represents a transformative leap for Ooni, a brand traditionally known for its high-functional outdoor pizza ovens. This indoor electric model integrates the exceptional design and efficiency that Ooni fans love, now tailored for indoor use. However, the Volt 12 is versatile enough to withstand outdoor conditions, making it an excellent choice for various settings. One of the Volt 12's most impressive features is its ability to reach a searing temperature of up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. This rapid heat-up time is crucial for achieving the perfect pizza crust, especially when preparing Neapolitan-style pizzas, which require high temperatures to cook properly. With such heat, pizzas can be cooked to perfection in as little as 90 seconds. This efficiency is a testament to Ooni's engineering prowess, ensuring that you get a restaurant-quality pizza experience in the comfort of your home. The Volt 12 is equipped with user-friendly front-mounted controls that allow for precise adjustments of both the top and bottom heating elements. This feature provides you with the flexibility to control the cooking process meticulously. Whether you prefer a crispier crust or a more charred top, the Volt 12 allows you to customize your pizza's cooking conditions to match your preferences. Additionally, it comes with convenient cooking presets and a boost function. The boost function is particularly useful as it rapidly restores the stone's temperature between pizzas. Number 4. Ooni Fyra 12. The Ooni Fyra 12 is an exceptional choice for those looking for a compact and efficient outdoor pizza oven. Weighing just 22 pounds, it is designed for superior portability and ease of storage, making it ideal for users who need a high-performance pizza oven without a large footprint. This lightweight design makes it easy to transport to various outdoor locations, from your backyard to a camping trip or even a tailgate party. The Fyra 12 uses wood pellets as its fuel source, which simplifies the fire maintenance process. Wood pellets are known for their consistency and ease of use, reducing the need for constant monitoring and adjustments. Once ignited, you can easily refill the pellet chute from the top, allowing you to focus more on preparing your pizza and less on managing the fire. This design feature enhances the convenience and user-friendliness of the Fyra 12, making it accessible even for those new to outdoor pizza ovens. The Fyra 12 reaches impressive temperatures of up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat capability is essential for achieving a perfectly cooked pizza, as it allows the pizza to cook in as little as 1 minute. The compact size of the Fyra 12 does not compromise its performance. Rather, it ensures that you can enjoy high-quality pizza with a smaller, more manageable oven. However, it is specifically designed for 12-inch pizzas, which may not be ideal for larger gatherings, or for those who prefer bigger pizzas. Number 3. Solo Stove Pi. The Solo Stove Pi Prime is a highly effective outdoor pizza oven that combines ease of use with solid functionality. It features a propane burner and a wide, curved opening, which allows for easy pizza rotation and monitoring of cooking progress without the need to open the oven door. This design is inspired by Solo Stove's fire pits, incorporating a circular dome and an open front that helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures. With a maximum temperature of 950 degrees Fahrenheit, the Pi Prime is well suited for cooking Neapolitan-style pizzas, which require high heat for a short cooking time. Pizzas can be cooked in as little as 90 seconds, ensuring that you get a restaurant-quality pizza quickly. The front-mounted temperature controls make it easy to adjust the heat, allowing you to fine-tune the cooking conditions to your preference. One of the significant advantages of the Pi Prime is its propane setup. Propane provides a clean and consistent heat source, eliminating the need for wood and simplifying the cooking process. Number 2. The Solo Stove Pi. The Solo Stove Pi is a versatile multi-fuel pizza oven known for its dual-fuel capability. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the Pi features a round design that echoes Solo Stove's signature fire pits. This model supports both wood and gas fuel sources, offering flexibility in how you cook your pizzas. With wood, it can reach temperatures of up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, while a separately purchased gas burner allows it to reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The open front design of the Pi enhances airflow, mimicking the traditional brick oven experience. This design improves cooking efficiency and heat distribution, resulting in a well-cooked pizza with a crispy crust and evenly melted cheese. The lack of a front door allows for easy access to your pizza while it cooks, making it convenient to monitor and adjust as needed. However, the need to purchase the propane burner separately can add to the overall cost. Additionally, the open front design might not be ideal for all users, as it may expose the pizza to the elements. Number 1. Ooni Karu 16. The Ooni Karu 16 is a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-function outdoor pizza oven. As Ooni's largest multi-fuel model, it offers the flexibility to use wood, charcoal, or gas, with gas burners sold separately. This versatility makes it an ideal option for various cooking styles and preferences. Whether you prefer the smoky flavor of wood, the convenience of charcoal, or the precision of gas, the Karu 16 can accommodate your needs. One of the standout features of the Karu 16 is its spacious cooking area. This ample space allows you to cook larger pizzas, making it perfect for entertaining or feeding a crowd. The oven is equipped with a hinged glass door that enables you to monitor the pizza's progress without opening the oven and losing heat. Additionally, the built-in digital thermometer provides accurate temperature readings, ensuring that your pizza is cooked to perfection. The Karu 16's larger size also offers the flexibility to accommodate pans and cast-iron cookware. This feature expands the oven's utility, allowing you to use it for various cooking techniques, including baking, roasting, and searing. While the versatility and size of the Karu 16 make it an excellent choice, its higher price of $799 and large footprint may not suit every buyer. Additionally, the need to purchase gas or propane burners separately can add to the overall cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.